Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to go over my top 5 tips for outdoors, what you can do to maybe improve your gear and make it a bit easier when you go out walking. My first tip is use duct tape, or tape, whatever you want to call it, around the bottom of your bottles. You never know how many times this comes in handy. Use it to repair so many things, and it's a really handy way of carrying duct tape. Don't carry a roll, wrap it around your bottle, around my walking pole as well. Always keep it rolled up as well. I've got in my first aid kit. It's really useful. Definitely something that you need to check out doing. Don't already do it, definitely do it. Next one is these are labels here. They're tough tags, so you don't have to use the tough tag ones, but you can basically mark your gear. You know, a bit of duct tape, you can write your name, or just a bit sharp, you write your name on there. I normally have my name, email address, phone number written on it. It's a really good way if you lose kit and it can be returned to you. It's just or if you go out with mates and you have the same kit, then you can label it up. I'm using my climbing gear, all my outdoor gear, everything is marked up. Tip number 3. I've got zip ties with me. I always keep at least a couple of zip ties in all of my bags. Just the same sort of thing with the duct tape. You never know when it's going to come in handy. Powering poles, anything like that, they're really good. Yeah, I've used countless of these as well. Always carry at least a few of these when you go out walking. Number 4, Ziploc bags for things. So I use these for lots of things, carrying toiletries, food you can eat out of these, so you can fill them, put your food in, fill up hot water. Really good way, means no washing up, no mess. I use these for pretty much everything. Just a really good way of organising your gear and keeping it separate. And ones like this size make really good rubbish bags as well. Fill that up, shove it in the bottom of your bag, you don't really know it. It's really good. Just recommend these. Anything, they're really cheap as well, put them up next to nothing. And they're reusable. I mean, I've used this probably about 5 times now, this one, and still good condition. And finally, tip number 5, sit pads. Definitely recommend investing in a sit pad. This one cost me £3. I mean, they're really comfortable. Just really helps you out. Saves you sitting on the dirty ground. If you don't want to buy one and you have an old foam mattress, the camping mattress, then definitely cut that up, make them. But yeah, you can pick them up at pretty much any outdoor store, probably on Amazon as well, and online you can find them. Definitely something to check out. Pack down for nothing really, you hardly notice it, weighs nothing. Definitely a good piece of kit. So there you go guys, they're my top 5 tips for the outdoors walking and that which you should do. Hope you find this interesting and informative. Just check in next time with another video.